Up next, Oakley Sylas.
Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Andrew here at Sportrx, and I'm joined today by Nick, our Oakley rep.
How's it going?
Thank you for joining us.
Happy to be here.
And today we're going to talk about the Oakley Sylas. But before we get too far into frame details, I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel if you like content like this. Also, let us know what you think about the Sylas in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, so let's get into this.
Cool. Yeah, Sylas. So this is a new release from Oakley. If you're familiar with like the Sliver XL, this is kind of a hybrid of the two. Definitely more of a medium frame fit. Kind of has that retro look to it, but still very functional. So this is a frame that you can wear for everything, whether you're riding your bike or hanging out around the pool. This is your guy.
It's a clean look, like the keyhole nose bridge in there.
Yeah.
The tip-to-tip retention feels good on my head. I have kind of a smaller head. Probably look a little bit big on me, but I feel like maybe I could still pull them off.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say this one's probably, like you said, medium, maybe medium small. Just a really clean pair of sunglasses. Full O-matter construction, so there's no unobtainium, no rubber on it. So this is really your nuts and bolts sunglass from Oakley. So similar to a gas can or a fuel cell, something along those lines. This is just no nonsense. Beat the heck out of it, you're good to go.
Nice, and super prescription friendly too. You can get these with Prizm lenses in prescription. If you don't know what Prizm is, it's Oakley's patented lens technology. It really works to highlight the colors that you want to see, that really make that contrast boost with a pop of color. Again, it's totally amazing. We have a separate video all about Prizm lenses, which you can check out. But again, you can get them in prescription at Sportrx.
Yeah, another thing, guys, these are made in the United States, which is so cool.
Always a bonus there.
Yeah, so Oakley, made in the US, awesome there.
Nice. Other than that, I think that kind of wraps it up as far as release dates go. We'll have them available at Sportrx as soon as they're released. I'll add a link in the description below so you can shop them here.
Yeah, check these things out. You won't be disappointed.
All right.
Cool.
Later.